you can see water. Because of the water, the coil cannot work. You can see. We allow it to dry. So there's no way the water will enter inside again. Literally no way. Hello fans, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel. So today we have sumo Submersible company. So according to the owner, the sumo was working when they dumped it. So when they started when they test it, because they want to start using it and it was not working. So we are going to lose it and see the faults, if it will rewind or we maintain it. Let's use it and see what happens. So let me lose the coil and see what's the fault inside. Okay, come closer. You can see what I entered inside the this submersible pumping machine. You can see the capacitor, see the surface. It's very dirty. So definitely water entered inside the cup. So let's remove this cover and see what's inside. Okay, come to this place. Let me remove this seal. Here we remove it. So you can see water entered inside the cup. So water is a very bad agent that will spoil coil easily. So you can see. So water damaged this coil that it cannot work again. So what we're going to do now, we're going to remove this coil. Then we're going to check if we can wash it and couple it back, or we can rewind it. Let's check it. Hmm? It's time. So we are removing this gently uh, because of the rust, the coil is not removing easily. So we have to use this procedure and remove it. So one thing that kill this is water, and this submersible is going inside the water, so you have to seal it very well. Seal it with gum so that water cannot penetrate inside. So you can see the water rushing out. Just remove it. You can see the water inside. So because of the water, the coil cannot work. You can see. So the water will spoil the coil. But we are going to wash it with fuel or the thinner. Let's see. So, hold on, sir. Okay. Wash it out with a fuel. This is fuel. So I have to wash the coil, then examine it. If it is okay, fine. If it is not, we have to rewind it. So the wire is still okay. So after we wash it, we allow it to dry. Then we apply varnish. Then let's see if it will work. Not sure it will work. So see how the coil look now. Look like brand new. Yes. So we are done. Then we allow it to dry. After it dry, then we'll couple it back. You see? Which one? Which one is that? Eh? I need the TV that. No, I don't go. I don't talk to your uncle. Don't get to the corner. You want the map for back. Use there, mouse. See your mouse. So this bearing is also bad. So we'll change this bearing. The bearing is bad. The water has spoiled the bearing, but this one is okay. So let's wash this place. You can see the rotor cannot even turn because of the bearing. So we'll lose this place and then change the bearing. So we are doing thorough maintenance in this pump. It's,
We're losing the impeller so that we can remove the bearing. So we use pulley to pull it out. But because of the rusting, the pulley couldn't pull it. So as we are trying to use the pulley to pull it, because of the rusting, it was trying to damage the bolt, so we lost it. We removed the pulley and we tried to use another alternative to remove the impeller, but still yet it refused to remove. Noticing that what stopped the rotation is the rust between the impeller and the cover. So it wasn't because of the bearing. So we choose to clean everywhere, as the impeller is very hard to be removed. So we clean all the rust between the impeller and the cover. We make sure we clean it so that it can allow a free rotation. So we clean all the rust. We brush it as well. We also use oil and fuel to wash the rust so that all the inside it can allow a free rotation. So now we have a free rotation. We also wash it with fuel as well. So this is actual points that meet with the impeller that sees the rotation. So we have to clean it well as well. Clean it very well. So we brush the rotor so that it will have a free rotation inside the coil too. We brush all the rotor and the rotor now look neat, so that when we put it can now move freely inside the coil. So we choose to dry the coil very well, as water was inside before. So we need to dry the coil very well to make sure that water is not still inside the coil. Maybe when we plug it, the wire will blow. It will blow. So we have to dry it very well. Make sure that there is no water inside the coil again. So that is the essence of the drying.
So we have to gum this place so that water will not enter the coil again. We gum all the areas. So this one will come and wear. So there's no way the water will enter inside again. Literally no way. To capacitor. This black is straight to light. Okay. Then this one capacitor and light. Okay. So before we cover it, let's test it. Let's test. Ah,